That's it.
It's been a long day.
My table.
Command.
Drinking on shoot.
But command, you're drinking on duty.
This is my station.
Sorry.
I do whatever I want in my station.
Sometimes I forget.
You need to have the promotion to do that.
Yes, I'll work hard on that.
Yeah, you must work hard.
Yes, possible.
My table.
Yes, Commander.
Yes, our kings la got to call into his humble. And then for our gangster now, Abafana na station sam.
Commander, boss.
Bakhona labafana ongitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani my table.
King. Ngizwenyana nami man, ntwana le man. Mara man, le ntwana le king, akusile ntwana le la bani sister. Le.
No, mara anginandaba umthetho.
Awuspensam nesister manje.
Umthetho kumele ngifuna bavalele namhlanje bangene maselini balale abaningi
Boss man, but it's already late man, 10 o'clock. Sithi kuyehlisa nyana idust kithi so babona kusasa boss.
Udetective undovela ungophiyana ngoba ngifuna ngifake nonke emsebenzini ngifuna balale baboniwe labantu lapha.
Boss man, angisho indovela beyangena early shift, so what I'll do first thing in the morning, I'll give him a call.
Okay. Ngizofuna wena nondovela lo msebenzi uyenze madoda ngifuna balale baliwe ukuthi ngizwala noma maka akusebenzi
ngakho. Stress boss, tashikhoma shifanyeni. Yes. Kuna stress.
Ngiyazwa ke mathebuli.
Manje epis3.
Hayi. La kuse police station K9 ke manje. Ngiyabonisa ke ukuthi kuse K9 ke manje.
Manje uyithola phi ke le nje?
Yabona le njalo ethe makunikezwa kuMandela athengisa inkomo sanikezwa le njalo. Le njalo ihlakaniphe kabi le. Ngoba bazonke legebengu.
Okay boss man, I know boss I. Phezukwayo kusasa.
Awuzwa ke. Ngiyajabula ngiyamfuna nondovela kusasa.
Okay.
Naye bafana laba kumele babaliwe bafowethu. Ngoba umphakathi uyakhala.
I know tashikhoma shifanyeni.
Awuzwa ke ngiyathanda ke mathebula mosho.
Okay.
Detective wa. Undovela ngizomfuna naye udetective sivalele labafana.
Bazolela abaliwe. Okay, ngiyakuzwa ke commander. Okay, first thing in the morning uzoba phezukwayo. So it's already late manje kumele ngichayise. Ngibona ingane nemfazi endlini.
Mathebula ungahambi kuqala ungawuthola umsebenzi wakho ngoba sengivulile ifile labafana.
Commander.
Ngoba sothi ujahe ekhaya endlini.
Ayisekakhona manje sekunedokezi.
Sengivulile mina icase yabo labafana. Kumele bahlahlelwe emaseleni.
No, commander. Uzoba phezukwayo.
Ngiyabonga ke. Wambe kahle ingane zibenhle. Ija manje